Hey everyone, Dave DePaul from Maximus Internet Marketing. Today is Wednesday, so you get a new episode of Web Wednesday. This is episode number 6. Little different setting. I'm actually in my car. I'm in Center City, Philadelphia right now. I had to come down for something on my mobile device, so it made me think about something that I've been reading a little bit in the last few days. I'm gonna kind of jump right into this. And it's talking about mobile. It's talking about some different things. Now, this is all stuff I read. I'm going to throw some links in the description of this video. Don't quote me on anything here that any of this is 100% because they don't really even know what the specifics of this are totally going to be. So I just want you guys to take a look at this. Think about it. There's mixed feelings about it. And I'll let you decide. But so it was just rolled out that Apple and Google are actually going to work together on a kind of a COVID-19 prevention spreading app/interface. If anyone knows anything about Apple and Google, they generally don't work together or agree with each other about anything. They're two tech giants that are usually in competition with each other and just, they don't play well. But in this one, they're planning on working together, and they're going to kind of work together on an API that will communicate with each other through both iOS and Android. So Apple phones and Android together with this app interface. So if anyone knows about APIs and that kind of thing, more nerdy or techie or side of thing, it's actually pretty incredible that they're going to be able to do this. So here's the meat of it. So they're saying that there's going to be 2 different stages of this. And what it's supposed to do is notify people about someone who may have COVID-19 or was diagnosed with COVID-19. And what this is going to do is then notify a person that may have came in contact with them or avoid coming in contact with that person. So privacy is a big concern here. So everything that I'm reading is saying that a person can go on, you have this app, you upload voluntarily that you have COVID-19 or you were, maybe exposed to COVID-19. And then what that is going to do is then notify anyone else that you may have been in contact with that you may have COVID-19 or you do, and that this person should now be tested or perhaps quarantined. That's stage 1. And that's what they're supposed to start rolling out actually in May. So in a couple days, you're going to probably see a little bit more information about this. Step 2 is a little more interesting. So it's going to actually use your Bluetooth device and can give you a notification if somebody is in your close proximity that has COVID-19 or has had COVID-19 or maybe in contact with someone who has COVID-19. So, there's a lot of questions about this. Some people think it's a great thing. It can help a lot of people. Some people are deeply terrified of this because, there's a lot of data implications and personal health information that could be perhaps shared. They're saying that everything's going to be anonymous, so no one's actual picture or address or name's going to be actually listed. But what it's going to do is just tell you if you may have been exposed. So again, it's a little controversial. People have mixed feelings about this, but it sounds like it's happening. It's something that's going to be, on mobile devices, and it's something that the government is working with them on as well. So, it's an interesting thing. I'm gonna add some links to the description of this video so you can read into a little bit further. Like I said, don't quote me at 100%. None of these things are set in stone. They could change. But I just wanted to let everyone know that this is coming out and to be aware of this. It's unprecedented. It's really interesting. So, with things starting to loosen up and things are going to kind of start opening back up here with a lot of the shutdowns and the regulations, kind of easing back into, as normal as possible life, businesses opening back up, people going back to work. This is something that's going to be rolled out that is going to be part of our lives. From my understanding, you can opt in or out of the app download. So I don't really know. I don't really know what that's going to look like, how it's all going to transpire, how it's going to affect people. But there's going to be more and more information coming out about this. Check it out. Very interesting stuff. And just wanted to let everybody know. So if you have any questions, I'd be happy to share anything with you that I know. Obviously, Apple and Google, you'll probably find lots of information that they're publishing themselves. There's tons of content online about this from different news outlets as well. So check them out. Hope everybody has a good day. Stay safe, and I will see you guys next Wednesday. Thank you.